Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and this is a short 5-part warm-up in the key of F sharp minor. And I just want to say this is one of the trickier keys, so take your time and really focus on the fingering and the notes in this scale. This warm-up is based after the MTNA Musical Literacy program, so if you are participating in that program in the United States, you can use this video to prepare for your exam. However, this is a great warm-up no matter where you live. So let's get started. F sharp minor is the relative minor of A major. So that means if you're familiar with the A major scale, we're going to use those same keys and we're just going to start on F sharp instead. And an easy way to find a relative minor is just by taking the major and marching down 3 half steps. So these are the notes we're going to use for the F sharp minor. However, the fingering can be challenging. So let's go over the right hand first with fingering and everything. 2, 3, and then it's going to feel like A major. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it's recommended to do 3, 4 because that's what you would do if you were going on. So I would say that's an option, but usually at this level, I just have 2, 3 at the beginning and then cross over and use that A major fingering. So let's do that up and down, right hand. Cross under 3, back down, cross with 3, cross with 3, quickly. So left hand fingering is going to start on 4 and then cross with 3 and then cross over with finger 2 at the end. So 4, 3, 2. Here we go, left hand. Cross with 3. Cross with 2. Cross under 3. Fast. 2, under 3, and on 4. Now let's try this hands together. Really concentrate on the fingering. I'm going to go super slow here. Here we go. So 4 and 2, 3 and 3, 1 comes under, 2 in the left hand, 1 with the left hand, 2 with the right hand, cross with 3, so 3s will be together, cross under with the right hand, 1 and 2, left hand's going to cross over with 2, right hand 3. Back down, under with the left hand. Then we're going to cross with 3. Cross under, left hand. Over with the right hand. Finger 3s will go together. And 4. Quickly. Under. Over. Under. Over. Back down, under. Now, the minor scale also has what's called the harmonic minor, where we're going to take that 7th note and we're going to scoot it up a half step. So this is going to feel kind of strange with such a large gap here. And we're going to use the same exact fingering. We're just going to raise that 7th. So let's go ahead and do that, hands separately and together. Big stretch, back down. And quickly, here we go. Left hand, same thing, same fingering. Cross with 3, big stretch between 2 and 1, cross over, then 2 goes back to D, under, quick. Hands together, slowly first. Right hand under, 3s go together, right hand under, stretch, left hand over, back, down, stretch, cross with 3, under, 3s together, quick. Part 2 of the warm-up is we're going to find our 1 chord, which is the chord with the first note of the scale on the bottom, and our 5 chord, which is the chord with the 5th note of the scale on the bottom. And the thing is, when we're finding these chords, we're going to use that harmonic minor scale, so the one with the E sharp in it. So that's the one we just played. So all we do is we take our scale and we play every other note. So that would be our 1 chord, F sharp, A, C, and then we use the same strategy when we're going to do the 5 chord. We're just, so we've got to add a couple notes to the scale to do the 5 chord. So we see what comes after F sharp, we'll add that on top. So I'm using scale notes to find these chords. So our 5 chord is C sharp major, so F sharp minor and C sharp major. They actually kind of feel the same, 2 blacks on the outside with a white in the middle. So let's do that with each hand. Our 1 chord, called Tonic, is F sharp minor. We're going to put our thumb where our pinky was, and we're going to do that same thing with that raised 7, C sharp major. Left hand, same thing. Put your pinky where your thumb was, and C sharp major, our dominant chord, 5 chord. Okay, part 3 of the warm-up, we're going to take those 2 chords that we just did. We're going to take that 5 chord, and then we're going to just add another note, a 3rd higher, so that would be B, and that creates a different kind of 5 chord, which is called a 5-7, all right? We're going to have this 5-7 chord in a different position. This is called root position. And you move these notes around and they're different positions. So if I put the C sharp on the top instead of the bottom, we get this. And that's the one we're going to use for part 3 of this warm-up. So for this particular warm-up, we're just going to have this chord be 3 notes instead of 4. So we're going to leave out this G sharp. So we're just going to play these 3 notes. All right? So it's going to be 1, 5, 7, 1. And here's how it's going to work. We're going to start with our 1 chord, F sharp, A, C, 1, 3, 5. Now, for the next chord, we're going to slide the thumb down to E sharp. Remember, we're using that harmonic minor scale for these chords. And then we're going to play, instead of finger 3, we're going to play finger 4. So the thumb slides and we switch from playing 3 to 4. 1 is F sharp minor, then C sharp, 7, back to 1. Let's do that with the left hand. The notes will switch the same way, but it's going to feel different because 5 is on F sharp, not 1. We're going to switch to finger 2 in the middle, and then pinky, finger 5, is going to slide down a half step, okay? So F sharp minor switches to C sharp 7, which is your 5, dominant 7, back. Hands together. Bottom moves down a half step, switch the middle fingers. Part 4 of the warm-up is called an arpeggio, and what an arpeggio is, instead of playing the notes as a block, as we've been doing, we're going to just play the notes one at a time, and we're going to have a crossover to the top. So this first note, remember, is called the tonic, and we're going to play left, right, cross with tonic, use your second finger, then come back down. So it will sound like this. Right hand. Move the left hand back down, get it ready. And let's play that with the pedal. All right, part 5 of the warm-up is intervals. Intervals is the distance between any 2 keys on the piano, and we're just going to do the intervals in our F sharp minor scale using F sharp as the bottom note. So intervals above tonic is how we might say it. So we've got a 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, slide up, 6th, left hand, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, together. So congratulations on doing this difficult warm-up in the key of F sharp minor. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. And I literally have hundreds of other piano education videos. So take a look around the channel if you are new to my channel. As always, I love to know where you're from. Please leave that for me in the comments, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. As always, thank you for watching.